Hi friends, Brian Allure here with Legacy Mortgage, and welcome to another Legacy Mortgage Minute. Today, I want to talk about MISTA. MISTA and the First Time Homebuyer Program. Today I got with me G-John from Impact Agents, and I brought him on board with me to talk about this program and see how the MISTA is impacting his business. G-John, how you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you doing, Brian?
I'm doing great. So how's this MISTA program really helped you?
One of the great things is if you're a first-time home buyer, bringing a lot of money to the table can be a little scary, and it's helping people assist with a down payment. So it's bringing people that couldn't afford to put a down payment in, it's helping them be able to afford a new home.
MISTA with the $10,000, now you no longer have to ask for seller concessions. So it makes it a whole lot easier for a first-time home buyer to get into a home because MISTA gives you $10,000.
Especially with the competitive market and being a seller's market right now where everybody's kind of going over a little bit, it lets somebody as a first-time home buyer have a little more competitive edge in getting a home.
And this is a first-time home buyer program, but one thing I want to make clear is that if you have not owned a home in the last 3 years, you still qualify for the first-time home buyer program. So let's say 5 years ago you sold a home and you haven't owned a home in the last 5 years, then you still qualify for this MISTA down payment assistance program.
That's really good news to hear because sometimes people get afraid like, well, I owned a home 10 years ago, but I've been renting for the last 10 years. Do I qualify? And the answer is yes. It's always great to talk to your mortgage person to find out all the details. Brian, a couple questions that I kind of have is like, what if I find a $200,000 house that I really love? Like, what qualifies? And then also, like, I only make X amount a year. Like, what are the qualifications to get the MISTA loan?
The max sale price for a MISTA product in the state of Michigan is $224,500. That is the max amount of money that you can have a sale price for. As far as income, every county has its income limits. It depends on what county you're in, if it's targeted or non-targeted. So what I'd like you to do, friends, is give one of us a call. Let us help you on this first-time homebuyer program. You can either call myself or call G-John, and we'll get together with you and we'll do a consultation and figure out exactly how much house you can buy. Want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next week on the Legacy Mortgage Minute.